IGCSE Computer Science, Syllabus Statement 1.5a, Show Understanding of Computer Ethics. Final topic, and each video of this topic is going to be really short, so yeah, let's do it. So, computer ethics kind of links with security, but it's more of the ethical aspects. So, like more of the the people, more the people than the actual theory of like how stuff works. So, yeah. So, computer ethics is a set of laws or principles or rules or whatever you want to say that regulate the use of computers. And computer ethics covers 3 points: intellectual property rights, privacy issues, and impact of computers in society. Now, let's address these points. So, intellectual property rights covers like copying of software without the permission of whoever owns that software. And privacy issues covers like hacking or like hacking or illegal access to a person's personal data. And impacts of computers on society covers like job losses, social impacts, and so on. Now the good thing is, we don't need to know about all of this. We need to know that ethics covers these points. We need to know like some examples, but we don't need to go full in depth. But we do need to know a little bit about plagiarism as well as no, that's it. And then we can the next statement has to do with free software, freeware, and shareware, and then that pretty much ends the topic. So I mean, the main part of ethics is free software, freeware, and shareware. That's the only sort of theory part. So use of the internet has increased plagiarism. So what is plagiarism? Well, plagiarism is the practice of taking someone else's work or ideas and passing them off as one's own. So like, if I don't know, I'm trying to think of someone. Actually, no. Let's say person A, like, steals person B's idea, or software, or whatever they steal, and then, like, sort of produces like, okay, let's take music for example. So person B produces really dope music. Person A likes this music. He's like, maybe I can take this music and change it a bit, sell it. Maybe I can do something. So person A takes person B's music and then changes it a tiny bit, and then says, "Oh yeah, this is totally mine. I totally created this. Yeah, give me some money. I got spent all this hard work creating this." When in fact, person B spent all that work creating that. Person A just stole it and changed it a bit. So that's plagiarism. Quoting a person's ideas is fine, but some form of acknowledgement has to be made so that others know of the idea's originator, so who created that, who had that idea. And this is usually done by referencing sources of information at the end of the document. So, for example, in history essays, you might have like a reference page where you say, okay, I use these sources from this like in my essay. So, so it's good to do that. It's good practice because you're not breaking any laws or anything, and everyone's happy. And that's it.